Hi Virgos, mga ka-UVG, ako ulit. Ako ulit. As in ako ulit. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang dapat mong malaman, Virgo. Virgo Collective. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Para po sa hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Baka po energy nyo na masagap ko, Virgings. So, let's see. Let's see what do we have for our Virgings. Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo Collective, please? Anong dapat malaman? Judgment card. Three of Pentacles. Ace of Wands. Wow. Virgo. Bottom of the deck, Five of Pentacles. Someone here is merong ano dito, feeling left out or maybe lacking ng finances. But with the Judgment card is being here, this is all about work, Virgo. With the Three of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands. Hindi ko alam kung meron kang final judgment to yourself or because ito kasi ano to, collaboration card to para sa akin. Collaboration card, team up card. Okay. Or sharing ideas card. You know what I mean? We'll see. Clarify the Judgment card. Ace of Cups. Oh, hell no. Knight of Swords. At saka for the Wands. Virgo, there is someone here. Ang love na naman to. Ano ba yan? Someone is going to rush in. Merong gustong makapag-communicate dito as in fast communication ng gustong mangyari. Merong nakapag-final judgment dito na you are the love of my life. Destined forever. Pero kung wala ang Knight of Swords, malamang masasabi ko you are starting something new with yourself. Ace of Cups and the Four of Wands. Masasabi kong ikaw to. Na you want, hindi ko alam mo, nagpaplano ka magpagawa ng bahay. Pamperin ang sarili mo. Punta ng salon every week. Mag-spa every week. You know what I mean? Travel lang, nakikita ko din dito. Ano ba yan, Virgo? Pero lumabas ang Knight of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Hindi ko alam. Ay, Virgo. Merong someone dito talaga. Merong someone na nakapag-final judgment dito. This person is like everyday. Para baga yung feelings niya is new everyday. Hindi ko alam kung sino to para sa'yo. If you are the Virgo na married or something separated or dang, nakaka-confuse. Tell me more. Three of Cups. Celebrate with the Ace of Wands again. Ace of Wands and the Ace of Wands, Virgo. Three of Cups to the Three of Pentacles. Someone here is gustong magsimula ng new beginning sa'yo, Virgo. I will not lie. Sorry po, para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Pero sa mga Virgos, Virgo, someone here is merong final judgment regarding sa'yo. This is a commitment, Virgo. Okay, celebration, wedding, proposal. My God. My God. Merong communication dito, nasasabihan niya na you are the one, you are the one. Celebration, magpapakasal tayo. Damn it, Virgo, I don't know. Paala ka dyan. Moving in together, settling down together. It's up to you, Virgo. It's up to you. Basta yun ang nakikita ko sa first row. Ito kasing Knight of Swords para sa akin is wala sa hulog. Sometimes it can represent sugod lang ng sugod pero hindi niya alam kung anong sinasabi niya, kind of thing. Baka out of excitement lang, baka out of something lang. Hindi nga sinasabi na pag malungkot ka, wag kang gagawa ng desisyon. Kapag ka masaya ka, wag ka rin gagawa ng desisyon. Kapag you know what I mean? Hindi ko alam kung pero this person is going to rush in. Very rush. Gusto makapag-usap sa'yo, gusto makapag-communicate sa'yo regarding sa nafe-feel niya dito, regarding sa vision niya. You know what I mean? Okay, pero hindi ko alam kung magiging corny para sa pandinig mo. It's up to you. Okay. But for me, there is a proposal, there is a moving in together, there is a celebration here. Gusto niyang labas ka, gusto niyang may mangyari sa inyong dalawa, like forever, forever, forever. Okay. This is definitely a marriage. Itong Three of Wands at saka underneath tayo ng judgment card. So, may naka-final this person is like having, hindi ko alam kung ikaw to Virgo na nakapag-finalize ka na ng judgment that you are going to propose to someone if you are a man, or someone if you are para po sa mga Virgo na hindi makaka-resonate, gusto ko lang pong shout out po para po sa mga Virgo hindi na makaresonate. Better luck next time po. May dalawa pa naman tayong baraha. So, we'll see po kung saan po kayo dyan lalapag. But at the same time, meron pong isang tao dito na nakapag-final judgment na gustong makipag-isang dibdib. Alam mo na kung sinasabi ko, Virgo. This is definitely a situation that included ang proposal, marriage, celebration, moving in together, building a new home. I don't know, building on something that is built with love, with the Ace of Cups. Ew, cheesy. Cornic siya, but it is what it is with the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Cups. You know what I mean? So, yan lang masasabi ko sa first row, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung magre-resonate sa'yo yan. At saan magre-resonate sa'yo yan. Definitely, that is love. Okay. With the Four of Wands and the Ace of Cups is being here, and there's nothing to say, Virgo. Okay, so Three of Pentacles, clarify please. With the King of Cups, someone wants to collaborate with you, Virgo. Travel involved. Someone wants to move into calmer water with you. And with the Nine of Swords, this person is depressed. Hindi man siya depressed, pero anxiety. Hindi siya makatulog with the Full Guard. Virgo, sana naman naririnig nyo ako. Baka sabihin naman mahina ang boses ko, pero I'm trying my best. There is a communication coming in, Virgo. Okay, with the Strength Guard. Lakas ng communication dito, Virgo. There is someone wants to team up with you. It's very clear. This is my team up card. This is my collaboration card. This is my sharing ideas card. Workplace card. I mean, someone is putting you on the pedestal. Hangang-hanga sa iyo ang person na to. Okay, with the King of Cups and this person, hindi ko alam kung meron kang issue on someone when it regards to workplace or something. But someone is having an sleepless nights. Hindi na siya makatulog, nagkakaisip, gusto niyang maulit muli. Hindi ko alam kung meron kang kaalitan sa trabaho or meron kang hindi pinapansin or hindi. Basta, this person is strongly wanting, full card, taking a leap of faith na mag-communicate sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung dinedma mo to or something, baka siya stress na lang ng ganun regarding sa pagko-collaborate sa'yo kay Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung may separation na nag-take place kasi meron tayong travel involved. Moving into calmer water with you, this person is having merong feeling to sa'yo with the King of Cups, but it's hidden. Okay, baka mas pina-priority niya yung pride niya at saka yung ego niya, but deep inside this person is like nag-overflow yung emotion niya, Virgo. Okay, kaya nagkakaroon na siya ng sleepless nights dito, but with the Full Card, magte-take a leap of faith siya na makipag-communicate sa'yo. Naghahanap siya ng lakas ng loob na makipag-communicate sa'yo kasi I don't know, basta gusto niya makipag-ayos. Okay, hindi ko alam kung kanino ka merong issue, Virgo, with the second row here. But someone here wants to talk to you. Someone here gusto niyang ilabas ang sama ng loob. Hindi naman sama ng loob or gusto niyang umamin ng sama. Ewan ko kung bakit ba ako sasabi ng sama ng loob. Baka ikaw may sama ng loob sa kanya. Maybe both of you. Kailangan niyong mag-usap. Pero itong person na to is trigger siyang makipag-usap sa iyo, Virgo. So, yun ang nakikita ko. Okay, so let's see. Clarify the Ace of Wands with the Magician card. Wow. The Devil card. Wow. Dang. Together with the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles and the Page of Swords. The Moon card. Spying card and the World card. Someone is spying here for you. May nag-i-spy sa'yo dito, Virgo. Parang habit niya na. With the Devil card. Very obsessed. Okay. Someone is manifesting you or merong gumagawa ng juju dito. Hindi ko alam. Pero Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang Virgo na naniniwala sa mga juju thing. Okay. But definitely with the magician card and the devil card, or maybe someone is thinking that you are putting a spell on them. Baka merong iisip na ginayuma ako or something. I don't know, but someone is like, nag-iisip lang ng ganun, pero kasi parang hindi niya siguro matanggap na ganun siya ka-obsess. Kaya iniisip niya lang yung mga senaryo na wala namang katotohanan. Okay. But with the magician card and the devil card, someone here is definitely obsessed on manifesting a new beginning with you with the Ace of Wands. Talagang obsessed to Virgo na magkaroon ng bagong simula. May nag-i-spy sa'yo dito with the King of Pentacles and the Page of Swords. Sabihin natin, ang King of Pentacles is a very stable. Hindi man siya kasi ang King of Pentacles is a stable person having their own resources, entrepreneurial mindset. But ang character ng King of Pentacles is very grounded. Okay. Clarify more the King of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles, very generous. Okay. Generous person. Who the fuck is this? Eight of Swords. Stuck. Tell me more. Page of Wands. Expect some communication, Virgo, with this King of Pentacles. Okay. Kung sino man tong King of Pentacles na to, ano to, provider to, hindi ko alam kung sa pamilya niya or basta parang feeling ko sa pamilya niya, pinaghahati-hati niya with the kung ano man ang meron siyang resources, binibigay niya sa pamilya niya or binibigay niya. Basta, giver siya dito. Support, anong tawag niyan? Isa siya sa mga support ng, basta supportive siya. Hindi ko lang kung meron siyang kapatid na pinag-aaral or ewan ko, basta supportive siya regarding sa pamilya. You know what I mean? Kasi King of Pentacles is a family card. Not a ang tawag niyan, father figure for me. Okay. So, yeah, provider siya. Either may pamilya siya or either siya ang breadwinner sa pamilya niya. Okay. So, but this person is stuck on you, stuck on communicating with you, gusto nitong magkaroon ng new beginning sa'yo, Virgo. Very sure with the Ace of Wands at saka Page of Wands at saka Page of Swords. Merong akong immaturity na nakikita kasi once na nakikita ko mga pages na nagkalat sa labag lang. Pero in fairness, meron siyang King of Pentacles sometimes. Okay. But at the same time, kung sino man to Virgo with the Devil card, with the Magician card, the World card, at saka the Moon. Okay. Virgo, hindi ko alam kung secretively inend mo ng something dito with this person. Para siguro sa'yo tapos na, pero para sa kanya hindi pa, like, hell no. With the Moon card and the World card, that is definitely unending with something, pero ikaw lang nakakaalam with the Moon card. The Moon card, Virgo, meron kang inend, tapos nag-start ka ng new beginning somewhere else, like, I don't know, or hindi ko ma-explain, god damn it naman yan. Nine of Cups, definitely. Baka nag-start ka dito ng new, nag-iba ka ng daan. The easy way to say. Nag-iba ka ng daan, inend mo secretively. Moon card is my secret card. Okay. But this another person is stuck with the Eight of Swords. Pero, kailangan niya kasi mag-support sa pamilya yun. Some point, I don't know. Breadwinner siguro siya sa pamilya or siya lang ang source. I don't know. But with the Page of Wands, this person have a good news. Meron siyang good news na sasabihin sa'yo. Pero this person is spying on you, Virgo. Meron din siyang good news na gustong sabihin, but hindi kanya ma-reach. Bakit hindi kanya ma-reach? Kasi nakikita ko dito yung the Magician card at saka the Juju card. This person is obsessed. Okay. Pero parang feeling ko yung with the Tower card, very unexpected nga. Very unexpected mo tong, hindi ko alam kung para sa'yo, sa loob mo. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa third row. Bahala ka na kung saan kalalabag dyan. Sana po ay hindi ko kayo na-confuse. Kung sino man tong nasa third row, na to, Virgo. Minamanifest ka niya obsessively thinking about you, or maybe gumagawa na siya na ng ayoko na lang sabihin what I mean, pero alam mo na kung anong gusto kong i-point out, Virgo. With the devil guard, this person is really obsessed with you, stuck with you. Gusto niya makipag-communicate, nag-i-spy siya sa'yo kung saan saang platform. I think you start something new here unexpectedly without even knowing. I mean, no conclusion, no hint. Walang hint, walang conclusion, there's nothing in there. So, you need to complete something here. You completed something here silently. Okay. You completed something here. This is a mission accomplished kind of thing. Okay. But you're not telling anyone. With the moon card and the tower card. So, I don't know what is that for you. Okay. Merong isang tao dito curious regarding sa'yo. Curious. Ang curiosity niya is like talagang to the max with the devil card. Para bang kinakain siya. Kikrave siya nang hindi niya maintindihan. 5 of Pentacles is being here in the bottom of the deck. Someone is lacking finances with the 4 of Pentacles. Wow. 4 to the 5 of Pentacles, Virgo. Someone is lacking. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang naglalak ng finances dito, pero someone is lacking here. And that is the true nature of the situation. Merong naglalak dito. May, anong tawag yan? May gustong mag-initiate ng conversation dito, Virgo, regarding sa security, regarding sa as I said, collaboration with the 3 of Pentacles. Kasi sa napansin ko, 3 of Pentacles to the 4 of Pentacles to the 5 of Pentacles. So, Virgo, may gustong mag-initiate dito ng regarding sa finances. Be careful lang, Virgo. You know better. Okay. You know better. Pag finances ng pinag-uusapan at saka collaboration, make sure that you will not repeat the same cycle again. Like, kung bakit ko nasabi yun, kasi baka parang feeling ko dito, na-take for granted ka dito, Virgo. Kasi hindi ka naman aalis eh. You know what I mean? Common sense na lang. You will not leave the situation if you are very satisfied. Lagi kong sinasabi yan. Kasi questionable nga naman. Bakit ka nga naman magtitiwalag or gagawa ng sarili mong daan kung alam mo sa sarili mo na very satisfied ka into the situation, right? So, kung sino man yan mga persona, Virgo, na gustong makipag-collaborate sa'yo, involve ang sa finances, you know better. You're wise enough, experience based. So, yeah, Virgo. Pero someone here, ang lakas ng interruption dito pagdating sa love. Pag nagbabasa ako sa'yo lagi ng career, hindi talaga mawawala yung may sisingit talaga dito na ano. Pero ang heavily talaga sa akin dito, merong proposal. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng proposal to, pero it's very sure this is a marriage proposal or something more bigger than proposal. I don't know. Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, 3 of Cups, celebration with the 4 of Wands, celebration, mission accomplished. But this is all about talk with the Knight of Swords. This is all about communication. Someone is hindi ko alam kung ba't ako nag-i-English. Naiinis na rin ako sa sarili ko, Virgo, ba't ako nag-i-English. But siguro kasi basta yun ang hindi ko na kailangan ipaliwanag, Virgins. But yun lang masasabi ko with the Knight of Swords. May communication dito regarding sa proposal or regarding sa marriage. Okay. May communication dito. I don't know if that is you or maybe that is you will hear it from someone, or maybe ikaw talagang ikakasal, or ikaw talaga ang magpo-propose. I don't know. Lagay mo na lang sarili mo kung saan ka mag-fit dyan. The advice is a time for healing, Virgo. A time for healing. Conclusion is within reach. Yun na nga sinasabi ko kanina. A new romantic cycle begins. Oh, wow. Really? Really? You and your loved ones are safe. So if you are asking about your loved ones that is far from you, Virgo, they are safe. So yeah, Yun lang masasabi ko sa'yo, Virgo. Bahala ka dyan kung saan ka lalapag. Basta a new romantic cycle begins. Conclusion is within reach. A time for healing. You need to heal so you can make a space for a new love here. Okay. We'll see. I don't know, Virgo, kung this is a new love or this is a past love. Let's see. Clarify more about parang bumalik tuloy ako ba? Clarify more. The Lover's card. This is a... Tell me more. 7 of Cups. Confused din ako with the Empress card. This is a past love, Virgo. Yun lang ang makakonfirm ko sa'yo. Okay. That is a past love. Okay. So, Judgment card and the Lover's card, may final decision na dito sa'yo. Ay, bakit ko pa binabalasat? Ano ba yan? Tapos na pala ako. So, yun lang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. This is a past person. I just want you to... gusto ko lang i-address sa'yo yan. Okay. You need to make a decision with the Empress card and the Lover's card with the 7 of Cups kasi confused ka. Lalo na sa ngayon na nalaman mo na merong final judgment dito yung isang tao na yun ang hindi ko alam kung na-communicate niya na sa'yo yan or i-communicate niya pa lang. Basta yun lang masasabi ko, Virgo. May proposal, marriage dito or nagre-request pa siya ng baby. Really? Let's see. Bahala ka para po sa mga Virgo na hindi makaresonate. Better luck next time po. What is the angel message number, please? Number 10. 7. Meron kang jack dito, guardian angel mo. 1074, Virgo. Baka makaresonate sa situation mo. So, yeah. This is what I have for you, Virgo. Bahala ka na kung saan ka dyan nalapag. So, yeah. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching and bye for now.